This is one of the best, simple, easy way you could grow your cucumber plants upward vertically on a string. And it's over 20 plants in this small area. This is about 12 feet across, 7 feet down. So if you're looking to save space, this is your best bet. If you're looking to build a trellis and a cheap budget, this is the best bet for you. So save space, save money, get more harvest, and enjoy growing cucumber. Harvest a good cucumber, you want to make sure you get a lighter green from the bottom right here, coming up at least halfway to 3/4. Do not make it turn yellow. If it turns yellow, forget about it. It'll get sour. And look at this, beautiful right here. You want to make sure that dark green on the top, and you can see that. So these string trellis, it's really easy. You don't have to tie the plant, I just guide them. And look, I'm using one string for one plant, and right there I just did a simple tie. It's nothing big deal. If you're afraid of your cucumber plant's gonna break with one string, you could always double the string so you don't have a problem. And 20 plants, literally, he's ready to look. 20 plants just growing easily. If you had to buy a cucumber trellis, it'll cost hundreds of dollars. To get a couple pieces of wood, I recommend at least 6 to 7 feet in height. And the length, it all depends how much plants you want to put. That's 12 feet and 20 plants I have in there. Cucumber trellis is easy. Check in my playlist. I do have a video how to make this cucumber trellis and how to guide your plant upward. Thank you everyone so much for watching. It's just a quick short video, and especially for the beginners or anybody who's about to plant cucumber, plant your cucumber this way. Run it upward. If it runs in the floor, it's going to take over too much space. You'll be stepping on plants. They take over too much of your garden. You could be planting other plants there.